Hello students. Today we are going to do the chapter 2 Stories About Flying from class 10 English Literature textbook First Flight. In this module we will do part 2nd of this chapter, that is The Black Aeroplane by Frederick Fawcett. So students, The Black Aeroplane is a mysterious story that begins with a pilot who was flying his old Dakota aeroplane to travel from France to England. He was dreaming of his holiday and looking forward to meet his family. Once he crossed Paris, he came across the storm clouds that looked like black mountains. He knew that he should go back to Paris as it would be unsafe to fly in this weather. But he decided to take a risk because he was so keen to reach home. He could not see anything outside the aeroplane. And to his utter surprise, the compass of his aeroplane stopped functioning. And not only this, the other instruments, including the very important radio, went dead. Suddenly, he saw another aeroplane with no lights on its wings. The pilot of that aeroplane turned to him and signaled him to follow. So the pilot, the narrator, followed the other pilot like an obedient child, like a good child. Both the planes flew for half an hour when the narrator noted that the fuel would last for 5 to 10 minutes only. And when he realized this, he felt frightened. He was anxious. But then the black aeroplane began to go down, and the narrator followed the black aeroplane through the storm. All of a sudden, the narrator came out of the clouds and he could see a ray of hope. He landed safely on the runway. He turned around, but the black aeroplane disappeared. So the narrator inquired at the control room about the other pilot who helped him. Why do you think the narrator inquired at the control room? Why was he so desperate to inquire about him, about the black aeroplane? Because he wanted to thank the other pilot of the black aeroplane for saving his life. But let me tell you, something strange happened again. He was thrilled when the woman at the control center told him that there was no other aeroplane in the sky and she could see only the narrator's plane on the radar. Radar is basically a system for detecting the presence or direction of an aircraft or a ship. Okay? And this fact left the narrator puzzled. Many questions came in his mind. Who is the pilot who helped me to reach safely without a compass or a radio? Where is the black aeroplane? So all his questions remained unanswered. The fact that there was no other aeroplane in the sky left him puzzled, as the identity of the other pilot remained a mystery for him. Did you like the summary of the story? Good. Now, let's talk about the main character. So, the main character is, of course, the narrator. The narrator was a pilot who loves his homeland, right? Because this can be seen in the story as he takes the risk of entering the storm clouds, even when his plane did not have enough fuel. We can also say that the pilot, the narrator, was a brave and determined person. He did not lose hope and courage when all his instruments, including the very important radio, went dead. But instead, he tried to contact the control room. His faith and strong will to survive bring a strange black aeroplane to save him. The pilot, the narrator, is also a grateful person. And how do we know this? You can see that on landing, he asks about the other pilot just to thank him for saving his life. So is it clear? Good. Now let us discuss the title, theme and the message of the story. So first, let us discuss the title of the story. What is the title? Tell me. Yes, The Black Aeroplane. So it is an apt title as it creates a sense of curiosity and mystery in the minds of readers. So does it create curiosity and mystery? Of course, right? The mystery of the story is enhanced by the word black. The moment you read The Black Aeroplane, there is amount of suspense which is there in our minds. The narrator saw a black aeroplane that guided him in the black clouds when all the plane's instruments stopped functioning. Now let's talk about the theme. So the story, The Black Aeroplane, is based on the theme that faith and courage can help overcome even the most difficult situations. The story also portrays that no matter what you are going through, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, which means that there is a reason to believe that a bad situation will end very, very soon. So, this is the theme of the story. Now, let's talk about the message. So, the story conveys the message that we should never lose hope. Yes, we should never lose hope, even in the most adverse and bad situations. The mysterious pilot came to the rescue only because the narrator did not lose courage and faith. Isn't it, right? If we face challenges with courage and determination, we can overcome any storm, any difficulty, that too very easily.